5 minutes makeup challenge. I'm gonna time myself right now, and let's start with the primer using Stila, one step. I'm gonna go quick. I'll put the product's information on the description box. And Revlon Color Stay for my foundation. Forgot to make this white. I like very light to medium cover foundation. This is gonna be for everyday makeup. Nothing glamorous. Glam. It's a bit uneven. Kids are sleeping. Oh my gosh. Foundation is almost over. I like that one. I have a bunch of other ones, but I like this one much better. Right. Next, using one palette only from Tarte. I'm gonna go for this dark shadow here. This is what I would do every day. Try my best. Well, for 5 minutes, my best. I'm gonna put some. I'm actually with my pajamas and I'm just wearing this scarf for you guys. Put some kind of a plum or eggplant color, just to be nice with the scarf that I have on. Right. Let's keep going. Blush. Okay. Not too much. This is what I do. Put bronzer after. And the reason why I do that is just because of time. If I have to go, I have to go. Then I put maybe a lipstick on my way or in the car. Well, if I'm not driving. And highlight. The good thing about having a palette like this is that you can use everything and you don't have to be guessing too much about what goes good with what, especially eyeshadows and all. And that's supposed to be a one look thing, right? Oh my gosh, right? Okay. This is the Josie Median. I don't like this wand. Okay. Where's my lipstick? Oh my. From Tarte as well. And hit the road. I'm done. Yeah. Well, this is actually not the cleanest on the eyes here because of I couldn't clean it up from my previous makeup. But that what I would do, I would skip some other steps just to go. And if I have a little bit more time, then I will do my eyebrows a little bit more, and liner, you know. Okay, my timer done. All right, I hope for you, Malu, Alessandra, Sylvia, and Raquel, all of my girls that ask me to do a 5 minutes makeup, you can do. I think everybody can do something quick and look decent. Well, thanks for watching. Bye.